Play. Okay, DIY with crayons. What's that? That's the paper and that's a cutout using a plastic on that. Why? I don't know. Okay, they're blowing the crayons to get those rainbow type of colors. Play. Me versus my mom customizing slides. What they're going to do with those slippers? Okay. That color looked too bad. What's the purpose? Play. Okay, what is she doing? Art and okay, that's a Diya. That's an Indian style Diya. Okay, her name is Diya too. I don't know. Sorry if I'm mistaking. Okay, paint color. She's painting the Diya. Okay, we uses to just worship our gods, and the main use is on Diwali and everything. Okay, she's just painting that. She can even sell that as an art and craft. Great artwork. Oh, nice. That's looking good. Okay, that Diya is good for photoshops, like so many females do this type of photo shoots. Nice. Great artwork. Yeah, of course she's using candle so that decoration doesn't get okay. She's just acting a little bit. Play. Me versus my mom customizing sneakers. Okay, don't ruin your sneakers. If you have so much of money, you can do that. I don't even have sneakers. They are using same technique. That play. Okay, again. Yeah, what is she doing with those? Okay, maybe craft or something. She's cutting it into, okay, that's one, gluing it up. What is she going to do with it? Okay, she's just painted one side. Okay, she's adding wool into it, and what's the purpose or use? I don't know. We will see. Okay, finally gluing every part. What is she going to do with it? Okay, she's painting, decorating it. Okay, what's the purpose? I'm not getting it. Maybe just for decorating. What's the purpose? Okay, 100k.